All right, so this is our example number 9, and I have a little bit of a boo-boo in the description because it says a battery of unknown resistance. You're not covering internal resistance of batteries. It was meant to be voltage. So we do not know how many volts are in our battery. We know every single resistance, 6, 4, and 2. They're connected in parallel. And they do give us the current through 4 ohms. So I know that the current is 6 amps right here. Now, be very, very careful. This is not in series. That doesn't mean that 6 amp is going to be in every single resistance. I can't even speak this morning. Anyway, so I only know that the current through this particular resistance is 6 amps. But since I know that it is 4 ohms with 6 amps, I also know that if I multiply those two, I will get a 24 volts. And since this is in parallel, this junction gets 24 volts. This junction will get 24 volts. This junction will get 24 volts. Remember, we're pretending that our resistances in wires are 0. Our wires are ideal. Welcome to the imaginary world. So therefore, 24 volts is the volts of the battery. Boom. We just answered the first question. By multiplying the known resistance times the known current in it, we get the 24 volts, and that would be our voltage of the battery. Boom, 24. Then, since that's the voltage of the battery, every junction has that 24 volts because the whole entire circuit is in parallel. Then current in 2 amps is, well, if, not the current in 2 amps, the current in 2 ohms. So the current in 2 is going to be 24 over 2. That's going to be 12 amps. The current in 4 we already know is 6. And then the current in 6 is going to be 24 over 6, and that's going to be 4 amps. So then this would be 24 over 2. That's going to be 12 amps. And then current in 6, 24 over 6. This is to benefit those who just copy the screen. Do not just copy the screen. Total current, I total, is going to be 12 plus 6 plus 4, 22 amps. Total current is 22 amps. Boom, boom. And then R equivalent to different ways. Again, the shorter way would be R equivalent equals V total over I total. And that would be 24 over 22. 24 over 22. 109 ohms. And the long way, 1 over 2, we already got that, plus 1 over 4, plus 1 over 6. That's going to be 12 as the common denominator, 6 plus 3 plus 2, 11 over 12. And that would be 1 over R equivalent. Then therefore R equivalent is the reciprocal of that, which is 12 over 11, which is 1.09 ohms. Boom. Again, I hope you watched this, followed it, and now you can do number 10 yourselves. The difference now is I'm giving you current through 6 ohms to be 4 amps, and you are going to figure out everything else. Go for it. Good luck, and thank you.